What is happening? What is up, guys? It is the XRP Alpha. XRP is chilling around that 45-cent mark still. I wanted to jump in the charts today. Macro, you have to understand my whole thesis here. We're stuck in this channel coming all the way down. At some point, man, I thought it would happen sooner than this. We were bound to break out and go test these fib levels. You got to have a retracement at some point. That was, geez, what was that? September 2021, just downtrend. And this is a nice flat accumulation consolidation area. We had that initial consolidation right there. And we broke out of that channel recently. Obviously, everybody remembers that. We back tested it, came down, and we looked to be forming a pennant. I wanted to jump over and kind of give you guys the lowdown on what a pennant is. I know most of you guys know, but it's good to always go back through. Sometimes I force myself to do this just because I learn a ton. I forget things, and then you go back through and go, oh yeah, I forgot about this or that. So let's jump into it. What is a pennant chart pattern in technical analysis? In technical analysis, a pennant is a type of continuation pattern formed when there is a large movement in a security known as a flagpole security or crypto, followed by a consolidation period with covering trend lines. The pennant followed by a breakout movement in the same direction as the initial large movement, which represents the second half of the flagpole. Pennants are continuation patterns where a period of consolidation is followed by a breakout used in technical analysis. It's important to look at the volume in pennant. The period of consolidation should have lower volume than the breakout should occur. Most traders use pennants in conjunction with other forms of technical analysis. You definitely want those coinciding indicators. It's not, obviously people can draw whatever they want to on these things. It's not a science. You're looking, TA is a probability. And when you have these breakouts of trends, I formed this whole thesis around this whole thing is that was a bottoming pattern and we're going to break out. Sure enough, we break out, and now we're forming other bullish indicators. And these fib levels, if you draw the fibs up, this golden pocket is right here between the 618 and the 702. That would, weird, nice round number. If normally you go back up, hit in this range as golden pocket, and then have some kind of retracement back down. So I'm looking for XRP to go up and hit 99 cents. What do you know? That's perfectly round number. That's what people would expect. And then kind of pull back. So I'll be selling a portion of my bags, a very small portion, because I hodl XRP. I always will. And accumulate more. This is just another way to accumulate more is I'll probably put my order in for like 97, 98 cents, wait for a pullback, and then buy back more at each of these levels as well as it comes back down. So jumping back into that pennant, you understanding pennants, which are similar to flags in terms of structure, have covering trend lines during their consolidation period and last from 1 to 3 weeks. The volume at each period of the pennant is also important. The initial move must be met with a large volume, while the pennant should have weakening volume followed by a large increase in volume during the breakout. So let's go check that out. Look at that. We got our volume indicator down here, a large move during the breakout, and it's slowly tapering off. This is your volume indicator. So it's looking good. So like I said, you want, coinciding indicators. You check those boxes. We broke out of this channel down. The fibs are up here where we think it's going, and from a macro side, most of the time you wait for a breakout of a pennant or a bull flag and then a retest, and that's when you get in and make your buy orders. Not me. When I look at the whole macro side, I'm not trading the 5-minute charts. I know where this puppy's headed. It's coming back up into these retracement levels. So I'm placing my longs here, down at this level right here. If we break through here, cool. I won't place them. I have my stash. I'm waiting. It's real easy for me. I'm not big on shorting. I'm bullish on this industry. I know where it's headed. So I pretty much just play those breakouts. And yeah, that was extremely boring down here on its way down. But I still, once you see a channel forming, I put one here. I knew we were coming back up. So you can still find those upward movements in a down market. That's what I prefer to do. Not big on shorting. Anyways, guys, that is pretty much all I wanted to cover on XRP. I know the Aptos, the new layer 1 blockchain, was just released last night. It's a bunch of like guys that worked at Meta, Facebook, created this new layer 1. Has a lot of hype behind it, but to be honest, I'm not touching that thing. It has so much VC money involved. What normally happens is you're their exit liquidity, even if it's just at the beginning. It's so hyped, people are going to be dumping money, and I think I saw it up at like $50. Actually, I haven't even put it in yet. Let's see if it's on TradingView. Aptos. Yes, and it launched on like every exchange, which is crazy. Let's just go to Coinbase, because why not, right? Okay, so it's on Coinbase. It hit $10. I saw it trading somewhere else. Let's try one more real quick. I saw it trading somewhere else for like $50. And then it came all the way back down. So I don't know where it launched first. Let's try KuCoin. Like KuCoin. Oh, well, it looks like it doesn't want to show us, but I did see it when it launched. Somewhere it went up to $50 and then came crashing all the way back down. That is the early investors, the pre-IPO guys dumping on you guys. Don't be their exit liquidity. Stay away from this thing. Yeah, there's going to be volatility. You might miss out on some gains, but it's just not worth it. I've done it before. I made 20 grand when Luna dropped super hard. I made 20 grand in like 5 minutes, and I lost it all because I tried to do it again. It's not worth it, guys. Just, yeah, volatility is cool, and you can catch some huge swings, but in the end, just look for juicy stuff like this. I mean, do the hard work, pay attention to people that know what they're doing, and catch those moves. You know, from down here at 45 cents up to $1, and then you sell out. That's how it's done, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stay on top of it. Anyways, guys, I hope you all have a great day. I hope this video finds you well, and don't forget to just keep working, keep grinding. That's what we do here on this channel. I also just started a new merch store. I'm gonna wait till I have more subscribers probably to get that out to everybody, just because there's no point in paying for all of the. It's like Shopify is like $30 a month just to even have it, and I have a feeling with 300 subscribers, I'm just not going to make the money. But as soon as I get those subscribers up, I will definitely be releasing that merch. I'm still designing a bunch of stuff. It's super cool. It's a lot of fun. I love building, and I'm excited to be back in this and be with you guys. Anyways, if you find yourself watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep repping that XRP, baby. Peace out.